eSIMs offer digital activation without physical SIM cards, but problems can arise. Common causes include activation glitches, QR code issues like poor scans or expired codes, APN misconfigurations preventing data connectivity, and device incompatibility. A major app update in late 2025 improved activation reliability, but issues persist, especially on older devices or during peak activation times. Let's troubleshoot. First, confirm your device supports eSIM. Most iPhones from SE 2020 onward and select Androids like Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus are compatible. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open the Xfinity mobile app, log in, and select Activate eSIM. Scan the QR code provided by Xfinity. Activation typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. If it fails, proceed to the next steps. If the QR code isn't scanning, first ensure it's not expired. QR codes are typically valid for 24 hours. Clear the Xfinity mobile app's cache to resolve scanning glitches. Try scanning the QR code in bright light to improve camera recognition. If available, use a secondary device to scan the QR code and email the eSIM profile to your primary device. The Xfinity mobile app version 5.2 Plus has error-checking algorithms that reduce these issues but are not perfect. APN, access point name settings, tell your phone how to connect to the internet via Xfinity's network. Xfinity uses Verizon's network, so the default APN should be VZ Winternet. Incorrect APN settings are a frequent cause of no-service errors. Here's how APN acts as the bridge for data flow from your phone through the network to the internet. To check and correct APN settings, access your phone's cellular data network options. Correct APN ensures smooth data connectivity and prevents no-service issues. To manually configure APN settings, first navigate to your phone's settings, then mobile data, and finally, access point names. Check if the VZ Winternet APN is already listed in your access point names. If it's not listed, add a new APN with the following settings. APN should be VZ Winternet, MMSC should be https://ms, and leave other fields blank or as default. The APN settings route your data traffic through the correct network path. After configuring, save the APN and make sure it's selected as active. Restart your phone to apply the changes. If issues persist, some users may need to reset their network settings entirely. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, try the simple solutions. Toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then turn it off. This can reset the network connection. Also, restart your device. These steps often resolve temporary glitches. If you've tried all the previous steps and your eSIM still isn't working, it's time to contact Xfinity Mobile Support. There may be an issue with your account or a server-side problem preventing activation. Keep records of the troubleshooting steps you've already taken to expedite the support process. Looking ahead, Xfinity is implementing innovative solutions to make eSIM activation more reliable and secure. Xfinity plans to incorporate blockchain-based verification for QR codes, eliminating expiration issues and enabling seamless cross-device transfers. AI-powered chatbots in the Xfinity app will automatically detect and resolve APN errors, cutting troubleshooting time significantly. Biometric activation will enhance security by requiring fingerprint or facial recognition during eSIM setup. Always keep your Xfinity mobile app updated to access the newest features and bug fixes for eSIM functionality. Remember that eSIM technology is rapidly evolving, with Xfinity leading the way toward more reliable and secure mobile connectivity.